Hare Krishna, good evening, welcome all of you all for our Saturday evening Bhagavatam class. So we are in the midst of the 19th chapter, we completed 19.14. So first canto, 19th chapter, verse number 14 was over. So we'll just start from that, just read, someone can read that so that we get a flow of the
14th chapter.
Yeah, 19th chapter, 14th verse.
The Supreme Personality of Godhead, the controller of both the transcendental and mundane worlds, has graciously overtaken me in the form of a Brahmana's curse. Due to my being too much attached to family life, the Lord, in order to save me, has appeared before me in such a way that only out of fear I will detach myself from the world.
See, this attachment to grahastha life may seem justified. And to an extent, yes. Ramayana teaches you it's your duty to serve your parents, to serve your, take care of your family members. The husband has to take care of his wife. The wife has to serve the husband. The children have to serve their parents. Everything is clearly seen in the Ramayana. But there is something called, this is called dharma. Pati dharma, patni dharma, whatever the dharma is, Stri dharma, Matru dharma, Pitru dharma, every other dharma has to be done. Even you have to do your dharma towards your ancestors who have passed away by doing Shraddha ceremony and everything. But there is a supreme dharma, Paro dharma. And what is the Paro dharma? Arey, jinka hum ansh hain. As a soul, we are a fragmental part of God. So we are supposed to. So this is our thing. But by default, because of the three modes of nature, especially the mode of passion and ignorance, we are attached to family, wife. You all must have heard the story of Purandaradasa. कितने जन को याद है? Vaguely याद है. ठीक. I'll just give a fast recap. Purandaradasa, his actual name was Narayana. His name was Navakoti Narayana. Navakoti Narayana. He was basically from just a few kilometers away from Pandharpur. Just a few kilometers away from Pandharpur. So when he was the most wealthiest person in the village. Wealthiest person. पैसे का कमी नहीं था उसके पास. उस जमाने में the rule was जिसके पास अगर 1 करोड़ हो, 1 कोटी हो, तो क्या करता था? घर के ऊपर एक कलश रखता था. उसके 9 कोटी थे, मतलब 9 कलश थे. इसके लिए दूर से मालूम पड़ेगा ये 9 कोटी. बट द प्रॉब्लम वाज एक नंबर का कंजूस. ही वाज अ ब्राह्मण, बट ही वाज लिविंग एज लाइफ ऑफ अ वैश्य, बिजनेस. बस गले में बैठा, आया कितना, गया कितना, उसमें भी रोता पैसा के लिए रोता रहेगा. इतना पैसा है फिर भी रोता रहेगा. This is not just Purandaradasa story, this is our story also. We are also attached to money in every way. सेल में देखेंगे इधर 20 रुपया कम है, 100 रुपये रिक्शा में खर्चा करेंगे, पेट्रोल पे खर्चा करेंगे, पर उधर 20 रुपये बचा क्या है? ठीक, that's human psychology. So he was living like that, very nicely he was living. He got married. His wife also got a lot of wealth. The wife used to wear a lot of bangles, necklaces, nupur and all that, anklets and all that. He used to always shout at her, तू इतना क्यों पहन के घूम रही है? तू पहन के चल रही है, घस रहा है सोना. घस रहा है ना सोना, घस रहा है. Loss. And he was a goldsmith. He was a pawnbroker also. मतलब वो गाँव में करते ना, pawn broking करते ना. He was doing that also. He was very upset. इतना क्यों कर रहे हो? Finally his wife got disgusted. Finally she removed all the ornaments and gave it. हाँ, अभी मैं तिजोरी में रखता हूँ, सेफ रहेगा, 1 भी ग्राम घसेगा नहीं. अच्छा, वो गोल्ड का रेट तभी कुछ और था, अभी का होता तो. So he put it in the locker. The only wife said, she begged, let me have this Mangal Sutra and this Nathni. And it was, he had made a very special one, एकदम पतला तार का बनाया था, just to put it in the nose. That's it. She was wearing that. And 2 basic earrings. That's it. इसके ऊपर और कोई, this is the minimum a married lady could wear as per शास्त्र. पहन के वो रहती. And she used to always pray. She was very godly. She used to always pray, God, please किसी भी तरह इसको थोड़ा अक्कल दे दो, उसको भगवान का भक्ति आने दो उसके ऊपर. And he used to always be only behind money. No God, no dharma, karma, कुछ नहीं. But earlier birth, he had done devotion. This is the biggest benefit. अगर इस जन्म में अगर हम में से, including myself, we don't go back to Godhead, don't feel your medal loss. अरे हर सैटरडे फुकड़ का पिक्चर छोड़ के क्लास सुने, भागवत क्लास सुने, कहीं घूमने नहीं गए, सीरियल नहीं देखा, सैटरडे इवनिंग अच्छा आता रहेगा प्रोग्राम टीवी में, या मेरा अपना हॉबी, मेरा पेंटिंग, मेरा ड्राइंग, मेरा रील बनाना, ये करना वो करना, ये सब छोड़ के क्लास में नुकसान नहीं है. याद रखना, प्रीवियस जन्म भक्ति ऑलवेज फ्रूटिफाइज. He was none other than Narad Muni. Yes, he was none other than Narad Muni. And Narad Muni, when he was doing devotion to God, that time he realized that, how nice it would be, because you all must have heard about the story of Narad Muni, that monkey face story. हरिमुख वाला. तभी डिजायर टू बिकम अग्रहस्थ ना. भगवान ठीक है, मेरे सामने जो भी इच्छा करेगा वो पूरा करो. तो गृहस्थ बना दिया, और वो भी एकदम गृहस्थ से आसक्त विद मनी एंड हाउस एंड एवरीथिंग, प्रॉपर्टी एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड मेड मी रिच मैन. ऐसा नहीं, भक्त अगर बन के अगर जन्म लिया ना, गारंटीड रिच मैन. यू विल नेवर सफर फॉर मनी. कान खड़े हो गए. रियली इट्स अ फैक्ट. Shastra says, one who does devotion and takes birth, for him health and wealth both are guaranteed. So immediately one day Lord said, now I think I have to revive his devotion back. So Lord took a form of a Brahmana. ये भी ब्राह्मण था, but he is doing a job of a Vaishya. तो ये ब्राह्मण बन के एकदम टिपिकल साउथ इंडिया का ब्राह्मण जैसा बन के आया, एंड डायरेक्टली केम टू दिस नारायण, नवकोटी नारायण's house, shop, and there he had some अक्षदा डन. पूजा करने के बाद अक्षद रहता है, डाला उसके ऊपर. क्या है, क्या गिरा है? आई एम डूइंग माई सन्स जनोई फ्रेंड सेरेमनी. उसके लिए मुझे आपसे कुछ दक्षिणा चाहिए, और मैं सुना the village you are the most opulent and the richest person, so you can donate very nicely, so please donate me money. ये कंजूस हार्ट अटैक आ गया. He said, sorry, I am not going to give you anything. Why did you throw this rice? At least you had given me in hand, I would have cooked and eaten. You threw this rice on me. अक्षत डाल दिया ना. So he's saying, at least you should have given to me in hand. You're wasting my time, your time also. I'm not going to give. He called the watchman. He was so upset with his wife that she was wearing ornaments that for a few days he stopped talking to his wife. And he used to not eat also in the food in the house. He used to ask his assistant, watchman or office boy, what do you call him? He used to tell him, तू घर से खाना लेके आ मेरे लिए. बचत भी होगा ना, जो पगार दे उसमें से मैं खा जाऊंगा, तो मेरा भी बचत हो जाएगा, और दूसरा बीवी को सिखाऊंगा. तब जाके बीवी ने जाके सब निकाल के अंदर रखा. सो इसने भगा दिया. उस वॉचमैन को बोला, इसको भगा दे. गॉड वाज आल्सो एकदम ढीठ मारे. फुल डे सिटिंग आउट, अंदर जाए बाहर निकले, बाहर ही खड़ा रहे सामने. एक बार भगवान ने सोच लिया ना आपके पीछे लगने का, माय गॉड, really he is a very deadly personality. So he didn't leave. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, continuous 3-4 days he was standing. One day he got disgusted. He said, I'm going to throw you out. Please get out from here. Don't going to get a single penny. But everyone told me you are the richest man in the village. You have to give me. आपको देना ही पड़ेगा. नहीं दूंगा. झगड़ा चालू है. One day afternoon, when this fellow was in the shop, this Bhagavan, Lord, in the form of that Brahmana, went to his house, his wife, and begged his wife. And his wife was very, very nice-hearted, dharmic. She was a very dharmic lady. She said, I would love to help you, or as a Brahmana, I would love to help you, serve you, and it would be my privilege to serve you. But I have a problem. That I cannot do it because my husband is very strict. And in the heart of heart, she was crying, रो रही थी. तुलसी का परिक्रमा कर रही थी और रो रही थी, भगवान क्या करूं. भगवान ने भी उधर एकदम गिड़गिड़ाया वहां पे, प्लीज somehow you help me, you are the only hope. मतलब पूरा शरीर में मेरे पास यही है, एक सोने का ये एक तार, नोस रिंग जो है वो तार, छोटा सा पतला सा तार है, और दुकान की वो भी रिंग्स था, मतलब जस्ट नेम सेक, ये मैं आपको दे सकती हूँ, दे दो, जो भी दे दो. भगवान भी ना कौतुक किया, लिया, सीधा दोपहर को दुकान में जाके धमका, चल काय के लिए आया अंदर तो, गेट आउट, हे आई हैव कम टू टॉक बिजनेस. ओके, इसे आई हैव कम टू टॉक बिजनेस, ये ले पैसा निकाल. He saw the ring and he recognized. पुरंदरदासा recognized, ये मेरा बीवी का ही है, इसके पास कैसे आया? Shock of his life. His heart was in his stomach and he was wondering क्या हो रहा है. And he said, okay, I'll give you money. You used to stay here. Okay. So बोला तिजोरी में रखा, लॉक किया उसको. And then he said, मैं आता हूँ, आगे मैं पैसा दूंगा, बट मुझे चेक करना है, ये मेरे ख्याल से मेरा पत्नी का है. I'll check it out. मालूम नहीं. Whatever it is, I come for a deal. You give me my money. Locker बंद किया. Went home, running home. There, his wife. Minute she heard his voice. I forgot her name. Nice name she had. So he was shouting her name, and she started trembling. आ गया. The minute he will see my micro milligram of golds are missing, he's going to get a heart attack and he's going to kill me. Started crying in front of God. भगवान मुझे बचा लो. Came and asked, कहाँ है? Where is the gold? दिखाओ. Because she came out. She was not without a nose ring and earrings. So he immediately asked, कहाँ है gold? कहाँ है तुम्हारा कान का बाली है सब किधर है? So मैं अभी नहाने गई थी, उतार के रखा था. लेके आओ. I want to see. She went inside. She started crying in front of the tulsi. कैसे क्या करूं मैं? अचानक near the tulsi she saw that same very old earrings and nose ring. तो उसने उठा लिया. She was, saved, like happy, she was thankful to God, and she gave it to him. He is wondering, how can it be here? He was for sure, he knew to solve that. He said, I'm coming. He took the nose and earrings and he went directly to the shop. Opened the locker. There the things were missing. The ring and the earring and the nose ring was missing. And he saw it was in his hand. He knew for sure he himself had placed it and locked it. It was a shock for him. He asked that man, where is that Brahman? आया था सुबह से, कहाँ है वो? तो गया, आप गए 2 मिनट में, वो भी चला गया. उसने मैं बाद में आऊंगा बोल के. Then he realized the mystery of God, the greatness of God. Then he came home, and then he was a changed person. Now he was not a Graha Medhi. From now he became a Grahastha. Grahastha means he told his wife, all the wealth what we had have accumulated by by wrong means, by miserly means. Now I want to distribute the wealth. I don't want the wealth. Lord himself has come and asked me, but I could not give. What is the use of this? All this wealth which I am having, when I could not give it to Lord. Immediately, he took his wife, his children, and you must have always seen Purandarasa's photo. If you Google, he will be always with the Veena. He will be with the Veena. And he composed lakhs and lakhs of songs. आज भी पुरंदर songs are, Carnatic music में it's an integral part of Carnatic music. So he took the sing and he just went to Pandharpur and there he stayed doing devotion throughout his life. The point what I'm trying to say over here is this shloka basically talks about how we are attached. तस्यैव में अगस्य परावरेशो वया आसक्त चित्तया ग्रहेषु अभिक्षणम. वया आसक्त, हम लोग कैसे आसक्त हैं, कितना, किससे, ग्रहेषु अभिक्षणम. अभिक्षणम मतलब एक क्षण के लिए भी हम लोग दूर नहीं होना चाहते हैं. आजकल तो मोबाइल आने के बाद तो और भी हालत खराब है ना. बेटा खाना खाया, बेटा क्या किया, टॉयलेट गया, ये गया, वो गया, एवरी सेकेंड. And we call this as helicopter parenting, helicopter parenting, always hovering around. निर्वेद मूलो द्विज सर्प रूपो यत्र प्रशक्तो भयम अश्रुधते. उन्होंने क्या किया, भगवान ने, ब्राह्मण ने वो श्राप, ये क्या कह रहे हैं, भगवान ने ये श्राप के रूप में, ही इज थैंकिंग गॉड, गॉड थैंक यू वेरी मच. इस श्राप के रूप में मेरा आपने क्या किया, क्या मूल निकाल दिया, ये ग्रह आसक्ति का जो मूल है, जड़ है, द रूट विच बाय विच आई एम अटैच्ड टू गॉड, आई हैव यू अपरूटेड इट. निर्वेद मूल, मूल से, जड़ से आपने उठा के फेंक दिया. कैसे, द्विज सर्प रूपो, द्विज मतलब ब्राह्मण के श्राप के रूप में, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ब्राह्मण श्राप यू हैव रिमूव्ड माय अटैचमेंट टू दिस फैमिली. एंड इट इज सेड यत्र प्रशक्तो भयम अशुद्धते. भयम मीन्स विथ फियर. भक्ति के बगैर कभी भक्ति, डर के बगैर कभी भक्ति नहीं होती. भय होना चाहिए. वी ऑल शुड हैव द फियर. फियर ऑफ व्हाट, दैट लाइफ इज टेम्पररी. हाउ लॉन्ग आर वी गोइंग टू लिव, 100 years, 200 years, 500 years? No, life is limited. So we should have that fear. Because of fear only one can do devotion. अजामिल, अजामिल कैसे तब भक्ति किया, कुछ भी भक्ति नहीं किया, सिर्फ बच्चे का नाम लिया नारायण, और कैसे लिया, भय के कारण लिया. इन फियर ही टुक आउट, बिकॉज ही सॉ द यमदूतस, ही वाज अफ्रेड. तो उसने डर के मारे क्या बोला, नारायण नारायण. उसने भगवान को नहीं बुलाया, अपने बेटे को बुलाया, बेटा आजा मुझे बचाने के लिए. तो कम से कम अक्लमंदी का काम किया उसने, सब बच्चों का नाम भगवान पर रखा. आजकल क्या क्या नाम. एक नाम तो मैं सुना, एक करम. करम 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 बुलाएगा तो क्या आएगा आपका एट द टाइम ऑफ डेथ. कर्म ही है क्या. So those days, earlier days, they were not fools to keep children's name on God's name. So that at least on the process of calling your child, you will be calling Lord's name. So it is said, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the control of both transcendental and the mundane world, has graciously overtaken me in the form of a Brahmana's curse, due to my being too attached to family life. तो भगवान क्या करते हैं, डंडा मार रहे कि भाई चल, get detached, and then in order to save me. This is the quality of a devotee. A devotee never complains that something bad has happened to him. He sees the good in that also. And first and foremost, every cause. What is the first shloka of the Brahma Samhita? Sarv Ishvara Parama Krishna Satchitananda Vigraha Anadir Anand Govinda Sarva Karana. He is the cause of all causes, not just the cause. He is the cause and the effect also. That's the best part. आप बोलेंगे cause भी वही और effect भी वही. How can you understand that? How do you understand? Yes, Tigar Prabhu, what do you understand? Cause and effect. He is also the cause. He is also the effect. How can you decode it?
You gave the example of carpenter and who.
There's a cause and effect. But in our life, how do understand God as the cause and the effect. Let's say in case of Parikshit Maharaj, he gave him Shrapa, and उसका effect क्या हुआ? He got detached. Mind you, had he not detached, Bhagavatam would have not happened. There are three things you have to understand, three stages. First is he got cursed. God is the cause. कहते हैं ना, एक पत्ते के बगैर कोई ना, भगवान की इच्छा के बगैर एक पत्ता भी नहीं हो सकता. What to talk about someone giving curse? The quality of a devotee, accepting the curse. That is the greatness. कि भाई ये भगवान, it is mercy of God. कोई कर्स को मर्सी बोलेगा? मरने वाला कर्स. No, चलो तू लूला हो जाएगा, लंगड़ा हो जाएगा, भी नहीं. Is it? मर जाएगा 7 दिन में. 1 बरस का भी टाइम नहीं दिया, 1 महीने का भी नहीं, 7 दिन के अंदर. It is कृपा. क्यों? He said, जब तक मैं भय में नहीं आता हूं, because he appeared before me in such a way, as a form of a curse, Lord has appeared, and out of fear I would detach myself from the world. So this was the effect. And what was the benefit of the effect? Shukdev Goswami came and gave him the Bhagavad. So God becomes the cause, God becomes the effect. That is why it is said, Sarva Karana Karanam. जो कारण हुआ है उसका भी कारण वो है, और उसके वजह से जो रिजल्ट आ रहा है उसका कारण भी भगवान. We'll discuss in tomorrow's class how, अगर कोई कर्म बुरा करता है तो उसका कारण भगवान है ना, तो मैं क्यों जाऊं नरक में, अकेला क्यों जाऊं, उसको भी लेके जाना पड़ेगा ना. That we'll discuss tomorrow's class. I don't know that is. We'll discuss tomorrow. So sometimes Lord puts you in such a position, in such a situation, that you out of fear. But there's a difference between people doing devotion out of God fear and not out of God love. Is that equal to this, the same?
No.
What is the difference?
That is कर्म कांड. So नहीं, but in that it's not love towards the Lord. मतलब इसमें अपने we have fear that we have to leave the, but God से love तो है ही. ऐसा कि God अपना खराब कर लेगा, इसके लिए we are doing things. कि ये 21 रुपए पैसे चढ़ूंगा, ये सैटरडे करूंगा, मंडे करूंगा, ऐसा. And इसमें we are understanding कि ये जो है we are temporary and we have to leave this and go to him and be his parcel. तो वो fear है इसलिए, but out of that fear we love him and we serve.
That is process. God fearing means that is done without knowledge of God. भगवान का ज्ञान के बगैर जो भक्ति करता है, इसके लिए वो किधर भी जाके नमस्कार करता है, दरगाह में भी जाके गिरेगा, वेडनेसडे जाके चर्च में भी गिरेगा, because he knows there is some super power, but who is the super power he doesn't know. अब ये भी कर लेता हूँ, वो भी कर लेता हूँ, सबके पैर गिर लेता हूँ. हाँ, कोई भी 4:30 बजे आके 3 बजे आके महाराज के पैरों को दर्शन करना तो वो भी कर लूंगा मैं. हाँ, रात को जाके खड़ा होके मैं दर्शन कर लेता हूँ, सब जगह कर लेगा वो. He is not bothered because he has no knowledge about God. There's a nice story. Ramchandra ji, after finishing the war, he was coming on the Pushpak Viman with his wife and whole family. And then he was showing her, this is the place where I met Wali, I killed Wali, I met Sugriv, सब ऊपर से दिखा रहे थे, एरियल व्यू से सब दिखा रहे थे. तो अचानक एक स्थान आया तो हनुमान जी का आंख एकदम भर आया. What happened, Hanuman? Why are you saying? I said, nothing. This is a place where I was born. This is a place where my mother Anjana gave birth to me, and this is my birthplace. Then you should go and meet your mother. No, let's go ahead. No. Plane ko bola, throw. Pushpak Viman got down. Everyone went and met Hanumanji's mother, Anjana. And Anjana was also very happy, motherly, Vatsalya Bhav and all that. And after that, Hanumanji started describing. and others also, Jamban and all were there. They were describing how Hanuman went and flew there, burned Lanka, came back, then they built the bridge, they went there. Lakshman was injured initially, and then Hanuman went, bought the Sanjeevani booty and saved him. मतलब पूरा कहानी बता दिया तो सब लोगों ने सुना, and everyone was like praising Hanuman, but Anjana was like unhappy. So he asked, "Mommy, my mother, why are you unhappy?" इतना खुश होना चाहिए, मैंने किया ये सब नहीं, बट व्हाट इज द यूज? तुम्हारे होते हुए अगर लक्ष्मण मूर्छित हो गए, हाउ कैन यू, मतलब योर प्रेजेंस इज वेस्ट, तुम्हारा होना वहां वेस्ट है, बिकॉज यू आर देयर मीन्स भगवान पे कुछ तकलीफ आना ही नहीं चाहिए था, एंड यू शुड हैव डन योरसेल्फ. व्हाई यू वेंट टू लंका, केम बैक, no, then again went and fought. You could have only fought. She expected her son to do all the duties. How you could not stop the arrow coming towards Lakshmana and making him unconscious and all that. That time, Ramchandra ji intervened. Ramchandra ji came and said, "See, don't blame him, because he is a true bhakta." And the true bhakta, what is the quality? What is the identification? He doesn't think it is because of him such and such a thing has happened. He is not having the power. He says, whatever I am doing is because of भगवान का कृपा, भगवान का ताकत की वजह से मैं उड़ पाया, भगवान की ताकत की वजह से मैं लंका को जला पाया, भगवान की ताकत से मैं जाके संजीवनी का पर्वत लेके आ गया. There's a catch in this. Acharyas have got a very nice. Why buddhimatam varishtam? Right? That is the definition of Hanumanji. बुद्धि वाला में सबसे best, intelligent. How come he could not? And he spoke the minute we met Ramchandra ji in the first meeting. He went as Brahmana, and the way he spoke that time, first when he spoke, only Lakshmana spoke. Ramchandra ji did not speak, and then Ramchandra ji is telling Lakshmana. The way he is speaking, लगता है उसने चारों वेद को पूरा पढ़ लिया. His grammar, his way of speaking, his knowledge is clearly evident that this fellow knows the entire 4 Vedas. Who was his teacher? Surya Dev. By the way, most of people must not be knowing. Surya Namaskar पहले first one to do Surya Namaskar was Hanuman to Surya Dev as a teacher. 90% of people don't know. हम लोग करते थे, बट दे डोंट नो. हाँ, सूर्य नमस्कार, क्यों सूर्य नमस्कार को इतना महत्व दिया गया है? एंड यू सी, हम लोग ज्यादा करके दंडवत गिरते हैं, लाइक दैट्स व्हाट इज सेड, बट सूर्य नमस्कार हैज गॉट स्टेप्स, वेरियस स्टेप्स टू डू इट. व्हाई? दैट्स हाउ हनुमान डिड, एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कैरी फॉरवर्ड इन शास्त्र. सो ही इज लर्न्ड from Hanumanji, Hanuman learned from Surya Dev. That too, how? Going backwards. When he went to Surya Dev said, "Sorry, my batch is over." उसके सामने सारे बैठे हुए थे जो साधु संत, साधु जो भी पढ़ने आए थे, सब बैच was over. बैच फुल हो जाता है ना, कॉलेजेस स्कूल में वैसे बैच फुल हो गया, तो आपके लिए जगह नहीं. उनको डर था, खा गया तो एक बार खा गया और एक बार खा गया तो. देन हनुमान जी से, नो प्रॉब्लम, आई विल स्टैंड एंड रीड, बट यू कांट स्टैंड ऑन माय वे, आई हैव टू गो. सूर्य का गति तो रुक नहीं सकता है, तो आई विल बी गोइंग, नो प्रॉब्लम, आई विल गो बैकवर्ड्स, आई विल नॉट शो माय बैक टुवर्ड्स यू, आई विल फेस यू एंड आई गो बैकवर्ड्स एंड यू टीच मी. ओके, सूर्य हैड टू टीच हिम. तो उनसे ज्ञान लिया है, बुद्धिमत्ता वरिष्ठम है, ऑलवेज इज द बेस्ट. How come he could not identify Sanjeevani booty? How come he could not identify Sanjeevani booty? Why? What is the reason? Yes, माता जी बताइए. इतना ज्ञानी है, संजीवनी बूटी को नहीं लेके आ सकते क्या? उसका सुषेण ने सब कुछ बता दिया, ऐसा ऐसा रहेगा, बूटी लेके आओ. वहां गए, वहां जाने के बाद he was confused. Why?
गोवर्धन
नॉट
शाइन
दैट।
कर रहा है।
हाँ,
सब
शाइन कर रहा है। हाँ, तो अच्छा है ना,
समझ में
एलईडी लाइट का भी जरूरत नहीं है, अपने आप चल रहा है। अरे प्रभु, व्हेन ही सेड, हनुमान जी आप जाके लेके आओ, आप चिंता मत करो, मुझे सब पता है, मैं अभी जाके लेके आता हूं। अभिमान, he got pride, I know everything, I'll do it। हनुमान जी रामचंद्र जी से ओके, आपको हनुमान जी आपको अभिमान आ गया, वेरी गुड, गो एंड गेट इट। एंड वहां जाके there are various interpretations to this shastra. I mean, Acharya has given various interpretations, but this is the basic the common which goes to this context of the shloka of ours. So immediately he got confused, कौन सा है कौन सा नहीं। So he got the whole पर्वत ही उठा के लेके आए। So Ramchandra ji says, see, that is the best part of a devotee. Devotee thinks that he himself is not the doer. What does the general world people do? मैंने ये किया, मैंने ये करवाया, मैंने मेरे वजह से हो रहा है, मेरे वजह से घर चल रहा है, मैं ये हूं, मैं। बट व्हाट डज द डिवोटी से? भगवान चला रहे हैं, आज तक भगवान की कृपा से हो रहा है, वॉट एवर इज हैपनिंग बिकॉज ऑफ गॉड, आई एम नॉट इन कंट्रोल ऑफ एनीथिंग। whereas नॉन डिवोटी क्या बोलेगा? आई एम कंट्रोल ऑफ एवरीथिंग, मेरे वजह से घर चल रहा है, मैं अगर खाना नहीं बनाऊंगा तो खाना नहीं बनेगा, मैं नहीं करेगा तो ये नहीं होगा, मैं पैसा नहीं लाऊंगा तो घर नहीं चलेगा। Please, the world runs only and only by God's will, and God immediately tells that is the speciality. Even in the Bhagavad Gita, Lord says, "Buddhi aham, I am the strength, I am the strength in the Balwan, I am the Tejas in the Tejasvina." He says everything. So he says हनुमान जी का संद एक ही गुण है कि वो अपने आप को कर्ता नहीं मानते हैं, and that is why he thinks whatever power he has got, it is by virtue of same way here also we can see Parikshit Maharaj is also saying, जो भी हुआ बुरा हुआ अच्छा हुआ, everything is good, everything is correct, everything is befitting me because my karmas are such or my leelas are such, whatever it is, God is blessing. Take the next verse, please.
O Brahmanas, just accept me as a completely surrendered soul, and let Mother Ganges, the representative of the Lord, also accept me in that way. For I have already taken the lotus feet of the Lord into my heart. Let the snake, bird, or whatever magical thing that a Brahmana created bite me at once. I only desire that you all continue singing the deeds of Lord Vishnu.
So he is praying to the Brahmanas. अभी तक शुद्धि गोस्वामी आए नहीं। The Brahmanas are saying, the Brahmanas को परीक्षित महाराज क्या बोल रहे हैं? भाई, first and foremost, I have given up my household life. Secondly, now just accept me as a completely surrendered soul. अभी मैं आप लोग जैसा बोलेंगे वैसा करूंगा। That is the reason why the Brahmanas have also come, because he is not in the Rajmahal, he is right now on the bank of river Ganges. Okay, and let Mother Ganga, the representative of God, also accept me in that way. For I have already taken the lotus feet of Lord. That is, I have taken the shelter of the lotus feet of the Lord. Let the snake bird or whatever magical thing, अब जो होना है, I am not bothered. Magical thing the Brahmana has created, मतलब वो श्राप जो भी है, bite me at once, अभी काटने दो। क्यों? My only desire, अब इस क्षण पे मेरी इच्छा क्या है? This is very important. We people have got a list of desires till we go to the grave. Go and ask a child, do you have any desire? Yes, I want to eat chocolate, I want to eat this, I want to go there, I want to enjoy in some play area or something. Something or the other children have got. Everyone has got a list of desires and demands. The only desire that you all continue singing the deeds of Lord Vishnu. भगवान विष्णु का कहानी, विष्णु का लीला, गुण और लीला मुझे सुनाते रहो. That is more than sufficient. Next verse.
Again offering obeisance unto all you Brahmanas I pray that if I should again take my birth in the material world, I will have complete attachment to the unlimited Lord Krishna, association with his devotees, and friendly relations with all living beings.
Here also he is not saying I want to go back to Godhead. क्या बोल रहे हैं? If I take birth again, if I am able to, if I am forced to take birth again, the only blessing I require is I should have. What is he asking?
Association of devotees.
And I should be a devotee. मुझे भक्त बन के जन्म लेना है बस. मुझे भक्त बन के जन्म लेना है और कुछ भी बन के जन्म नहीं लेना है. Please, many people have got this. I mean, it's an ideology of many people. I'll go back to Godhead. I will go and sing. The only criteria for ours should be, let me be eternally be connected with God. Let it be in this material world or some other loka or some other world or in Vaikuntha. No problem. गोलोक में डालो, वैकुंठ में डालो, साकेत धाम में डालो, किधर भी डालो, जहां आपकी मर्जी है. Where you desire means what? When you give up your free will, that is the time God accepts you. As long as you keep the free will reserved for yourself, God will not accept you. You cannot dictate terms, or you cannot say, no, I am doing this because I want to go back to Godhead. Is it not karma kand?
Perfect.
Then this also becomes a karma kand. मैं 16 माला क्यों जपता हूँ, प्रसाद क्यों खा रहा हूँ, भगवान का कीर्तन क्यों सुन रहा हूँ, मुझे बैक टू गॉडहेड जाना है. How can you barter or say that I am going to get, I should get this.
In return.
Let it be the wish of the Lord. If he says no, next birth you become a nice monkey in my monkey army, wherever I am doing Ram Leela, you become a monkey. Fine, I will become a monkey. I will have your audience. That is more important. At any time, I will be able to. The best part of the monkeys were they could see Ramchandra ji. Otherwise, Ramchandra ji अगर महल में रहते तो दिखते थे? नहीं दिखे. कृष्ण गाय सभी ग्वाल के साथ खेल रहे थे, तो सभी ग्वाल को कीट पतंग से लेके everyone could take the audience of Krishna. So wherever Krishna puts me, I am ready to go. That should be the भाव rather than bartering. बहुत दुख है इस दुनिया में. भगवान मुझे वापस ले ले, इधर अपने पास ले ले. भगवान बोलेगा नहीं, ये दुखी लोगों के लिए यहाँ जगह नहीं. आप दुखी लोगों के दुखलय में रहे हो, आपको यहाँ आना है तो सुखी बन के आओ, आनंदमय कोश में जाओ. आनंदमय कोश में जाओ, then you come. So that when you go, you should be desire free. वहां भी जाके आ तो गया हूं, अगर मेरा जमीन, मेरा सोना, मेरा ये, मेरा वो. Desire has to be zero, and desires come from free will. You have a free will. Everyone has got a free will. Choice. यहाँ आना है, क्लास में जाना है, कि बाहर बैठ के थिएटर में जाना है, पिक्चर देखना है, या होटल में जाके खाना है, या कुछ नहीं, सोना है घर में, क्या करना है. It's a free will. No one has forced you. Keep a gun. Come on, you have to come and attend. No. So the best part is how you give up your free will and say, I don't have a free will. Whatever free will I have is for you. आप जो चाहेंगे मैं वो करूंगा. Whatever you desire, I will do. As Hanumanji did. Whatever Lord said, he did. Happily. Because his desire was, Lord's desire was his desire. So there is a catch to this. People generally think, I am doing this, by which I will go back to Godhead. Don't put your claims. Don't put your claims. Because you may feel what you are doing is right. But what is right or wrong, it is for the Lord to judge. If Lord wants to have you as a sakha in some other leela, some other loka, and some other kala, he will call you there. Whether he says, no, you are not fit for nothing, you don't come, you stay in this world. Okay, that is also accepted. That thought process should be, even if I have to take birth again, let me be a devotee of Lord. And more than that, keep me in association of devotees. Because आप कर्मी लोगों के साथ या जो सिर्फ पैशनेट थॉट्स में है या इग्नोरेंट थॉट में है, उनके साथ यू कैन नेवर डू डिवोशन. I was once going to Talasai, so road situation is still not bharosa nahi hai. I didn't want to get caught, so I was going by train. I went from here to Danu. वहाँ से he got the car to pick me up. So it was, and there's a brother. Best joke is whenever I travel, for me it's new revelations. I see from the three modes of nature. You see from the Shastra Chakshuna, you find really funny. And I could see so many people, in the morning, and for them it's a daily routine. For me it's once in a blue moon. Really once in a blue moon. And for them it's a daily routine going to Danu Road, catching that marathon race in Andheri station and getting in the train. And somehow I also got inside. I did not get a place. I was standing coolly. I didn't want to go into that push and pull. I didn't have the stamina also. Another training now. So that went in. After 2-3 stations, I got somewhere in midway. I got a place to sit. But I was wondering, after all the torture, daily up down, rain or shine, they are happy with ignorance. They were happy with their mobile. They are happy with their whatever movie or Instagram or Facebook they are looking, and they are enjoying and discussing this Saturday which movie to go, this Sunday where to go. Least do they realize that they are in a place of hell.
Suffering.
Desiring, they don't even desire about God. For them, God means someone who is there in that 2x3 square foot area, and like दिया बत्ती कर लिया, हो गया, अगरबत्ती जलाया, टिंग 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 टिंग, and that's it. तू तेरे घर पे, मैं मेरे घर. You live your life, I live my life. बस. That's the all it is. And if it is a festive season, how do I enjoy the festival? How will I eat nice modak? How will I eat nice chocolate modak? How will I enjoy dancing in the item song in front of Ganpati? Nobody is worried about God, or rather even the demigods, or rather devatas also. And this I saw while coming back also. I saw freedom fighters से ज़्यादा लड़ रहे हैं वो लोग अंदर घुसने के लिए, and it's a daily torture, and each one has got fixed place also. Those who are sitting and going, they got a fixed place. The neighbor is also fixed. The place is also fixed. The train is also fixed. मतलब so and so timing वाला 5:18 वाला train, 5:45 वाला train, 6:50 वाला train, whatever the train is. The train is fixed. The place is fixed. Everything is fixed. But they don't want to reserve a place in, because they are unfortunate people, because they have not got association of devotees. First, unfortunate is they don't have devotions. They don't have devotees in their association. Second is, even if they have, they don't want to change. So, the only thing we all have to pray to God is, भगवान अगर आपने हमको एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया, नो प्रॉब्लम, वी आर वेरी हैप्पी. आपने तकलीफ दिया, वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस, मगर आप एक कृपा करो, अगले जन्म में भी हमको भक्त बनाओ और भक्तों के संग देखा, ताकि उन लोगों के साथ उनको देख के कम से कम मैं थोड़ा बहुत भक्ति करूं. Okay, with this I like to close today's session.